Home safety device, 2-in-1, CO and gas leak detector, carbon monoxide, plus combustible gas, smoke alarm. Protect your home and loved ones with the new 2-in-1 CO and gas leak detector, your smart safety companion. This powerful device instantly detects carbon monoxide and combustible gas leaks like methane or propane, giving you early warning before danger strikes. With a high-sensitivity sensor, loud alarm, and bright LED indicators, you'll always stay alert and protected. Easy to install, reliable, and perfect for homes, kitchens, and garages. It's the ultimate protection for your family. Stay safe, stay secure with the 2-in-1 carbon monoxide and gas leak detector. Stay protected and alert because every second counts in home safety.